Okay, so it is November 28th, 8 a.m. in the morning. I am, not 8 a.m., 7:05 in the morning. I'm waiting for the boat to cross the bay. And, it's cold as hell, as you can tell. Got 2 exams today. One I didn't prepare for, but I got a safety plan, so I'll still pass this class with a decent grade. And after today's over, time to study, get my shit together for finals, because these are the last 2. I have like 4 exams left until finals. And then yeah, but as you can see, it's as early as it can be. Is that a boat? No, that's a building. Alright, we got the, I don't know if you can see, there's the Salesforce Tower is there. You can see that little thing right next to the parking sign. That's Salesforce Tower. You can see it, not very well, but it's there. And then I don't know if you can see my boat somewhere over there. Alright, so I missed the boat. I forgot there's a boat at 7 a.m., so I'll just catch the other boat. But damn, I should have just went on that boat somewhere here. Oh well. Just wait till the next boat. Yeah. But today's a great start to my day. It's the first day back from break. All my professors gave me homework over break. I got 3 exams when I get back from break, which is now. I don't know why they did that. Like, I forgot everything. Just kind of what happens. But I reviewed for 2 of the exams. One of them, he didn't post the solutions to any of the stuff until like yesterday. So, I mean, there's only so much you could do if you're studying. You know, if you're studying the wrong material, it's not even worth studying if you're not guaranteed on the good stuff. And then you could always do YouTube, but I just didn't have time because I'm building the tiny house. So much. Anyways, these professors think my life revolves around them. It does not. I got my whole life that I gotta juggle, including these classes. It's almost done though. Almost done. But yeah. Happy Monday, y'all. And it's almost December. I can't wait. I can't wait till finals. I can't wait for this to be over. The semester's been horrible. I've been commuting 5 days a week to school. Commuting is not easy. It takes like an hour and some change just to cross the bay, get to school, do all that. And I take the ferry and the Mooney to get to school, which is faster than driving a car. If I were to drive my car, it would take like an hour and 20 minutes, hour and 30. And then there's that risk of me getting towed, right? The car might get towed if I park in the wrong spot. I might get like a $150 ticket if I park in a certain spot for too long. And I could pay the daily toll fee, or the daily fee is like $15 or some shit to park your car in the parking lot. But I'm not about to do all that. You know, I'm not about to spend more money on top of gas, toll, and then parking. You know, so I might as well just take the ferry, which isn't bad. It's $4.50 one way for me. So like $9 a day. It's not bad. It's better than the car toll. Car toll is like $8 a day. Not including the gas. Not including the mileage. Not including anything else. So yeah, it's more convenient for me to just take the boat and then just hop on Mooney. Mooney's like 30 minutes. So if I were to have no gaps in between, it would be about 45 to 50 minutes for me to get from my house exactly to San Francisco, or not San Francisco, to school. And with the car, it's like an hour and 20. So, and then you might just end up in traffic. Traffic's pretty bad because people are coming back to work. So I don't even think about it. I don't even try going that way. I went there like once or twice, and people just, number one, some people don't know how to drive in a big city. Like, they just don't know. And I get it, but also get off the road. You know, like, if you don't know, just get off the road. There's no need for you to be here. And then everybody wants to get in the fucking car crash. 7 in the morning, bro. It's 7 in the morning. What are y'all doing? People drive very aggressive. I mean, you kind of have to drive aggressively, but aggressively with safety. And nah, I think like on the last week there was like 18 car collision on the Bay Bridge. People be wilding, man. People be wild. There's always something on the bridge. I don't like driving there. I think I did a video on that. I should probably post that. It's gonna be like a year later after. Damn. I need to post my shit. Alright, so I should probably start doing more. Anyways, I don't know what this video is. It might be day in the life of me. Might be, I don't know. Took some time off from work to study for the finals, so no work in this video. It's okay, I can't take videos at work anyways. Alright, y'all. Peace out. I think my boat's here. Yeah, I'm gonna go wait inside where there's the heater's bumping in there. I mean, I have a heater in my car, but sometimes it gets too stuffy, so I don't like bumping it. There's a little coffee truck here. A little coffee truck. I might get a coffee, might not. Alright, y'all. Peace out. I'll see you after these exams. I'll let you know how it goes. Got the e-wheel. 50% charge. It's good enough for today. As I don't really travel that much or ride it that much, but I got the view of the bay. There's Salesforce Tower. And there's my boat that I'm gonna get on because people are starting to get on now. And we got the city. Pan out view. Bam. Nice. Don't. No, 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 no. No, no. No. No.